video we are going to talk about Akash mudra. So we discussed about Gyan mudra and we discussed about Chin mudra. So the next step in the process is Akash mudra, which is the space element. So this mudra wherein you join your middle finger and your thumb finger is called Akash mudra, and the purpose of this mudra is to balance the space element. So the space is responsible for flow of energy within your body, and this flow can be anything including flow of blood, flow of urine, everything and anything. So this mudra is really helpful for increasing the flow of energy in the body. So you can perform this mudra while meditating. You can practice this for 10 to 20 minutes. If you have overeaten your food and feel heavy in the body, this will help you ease it. This helps increase the flow of energy throughout the body, where be it excretion, be it digestion, be it moving all the blood to the vessel. So if you are going for exercise, this can be helpful. If you are prone to jet lag, so doing this mudra before flight is helpful. This mudra is also helpful for meditation because it helps you develop a single pointed mindset, so you can meditate much more easily when you perform using this particular mudra. If you have problem with eardrums, anything related to space, this mudra will help. And any headache arising due to sinusitis can be helpful using this mudra.